everyone.
We are the students of
ALPHORES High School, and today we are going to explain our science project on hydroponics, a modern method of growing plants without having to use much soil. Hydroponics is an advanced farming technique in which plants grow in nutrient-rich water instead of normal soil. This method has become very popular all across the world because of its ability to save water, space and time.
In our project, our main aim is to conserve water. We all know that water is a very important natural resource, and in traditional farming, a large amount of water gets wasted during irrigation. Sometimes, water also drains away without being used by the plants. But in our hydroponic model, the same water is used again and again by the plants. So, there is a very little wastage, and we can grow healthy plants with much less water compared to normal soil farming.
Now let's explain how we made our hydroponics model. First, we took a simple container and filled it with water mixed with nutrients. These nutrients act like food for the plants. They contain important minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, which help the plants grow faster and healthier. We used a small amount of soil to hold the plant roots in position, but not for growing them. The main growth happens because the roots absorb nutrients from the water directly.
Another special feature of our model is that we didn't use any motor or electricity. In many hydroponic systems, a motor is used to circulate water, but we wanted to make our project simple, eco-friendly and energy-saving. So we filled water up to a fixed level in the container, and the plants are placed in such a way that the roots are partially dipped in the water. This helps the plants to get a constant supply of moisture and nutrients naturally without needing any power. This way, our model shows that even without machines or pumps, we can grow plants using natural water balance.
We observed our plants for a few days and noticed that they remained fresh and green. The roots grew well and we could see the plants were healthy even though we used very little soil and no fertilizers. We learned that hydroponics is not only good for saving water, but it can also be used in places where there is less land and poor soil quality, such as cities or terrace gardens.
Yes, and this system can be a great solution for the future, especially when water scarcity and climate change are increasing. With hydroponics, farmers can grow vegetables, fruits and flowers throughout the year, even with limited resources. It is also a clean and sustainable method, as there is no soil pollution, less pest attack, and it requires very little maintenance.
Through this project, we learned how hydroponics helps save water, space and soil, and how it supports sustainable farming for future generations. We really enjoyed making this model and understanding how science can make farming more efficient and eco-friendly.
Thank you for watching our project.
We hope you liked our hydroponics model and learned something new today.